say. All right. Radio check, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yep, I can hear you.
Perfect. So we're gonna do 30 minutes ride, 30-minute ride like I told you guys. We're gonna depart over here to the northeast and go to the Brave Stadium first, then King and the Queen, Buckhead downtown, and then come back.
All right. Awesome.
It's gonna be around 3 to 4 minutes to warm it up over here before we can take off. So just bear with me.
Okay.
Caution for the wildlife that's zoned in the vicinity of the runway. Read back out Renee short instruction. Advise on initial contact, you have whiskey. Putting out our information, whiskey 2153 Zulu. Wind 180 at 8. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 19 at 2.2. Altimeter 3024. Expect a visual approach. We're landing departing runway 26. Airfield advisory. Use caution for the wildlife that's zoned in the vicinity of the runway. Read back out Renee short instruction. Advise on initial contact, you have whiskey. Putting out our information, whiskey.
55 Lynn Bravo, Fulton County Tower, runway 26, clear to land.
Clear to land, 2655 Lynn Bravo.
Alright guys, gonna pick it up.
All right.
Fulton County Tower helicopter 206 Tango Juliet, the heel like a northeast departure with whiskey.
Sorry, calling tower, say again?
Yes sir, helicopter 206 Tango Juliet, the heel like a northeast departure with whiskey.
206 Tango Juliet, departure from the hill corner, northeast bound your own risk, use caution, altimeter 3025.
Departure my own race, northeast for 6 Tango Juliet. Alright guys, welcome to the skies. From here, you can already see downtown, Midtown to the right, all the way in the distance. That's going to be Stone Mountain. Little city over there, that's going to be Buckhead. We fly towards the Brave Stadium. And to the left, the two twin tops, that's going to be Kennesaw Mountain.
Right 360, 17 Kilo Papa.
At your house.
And quick exchange for 6 Tango Juliet.
6 Tango Juliet, first exchange through.
Exchange approved, talk to you soon, 6 Tango Juliet. Dobby Tower Helicopter 206 Tango Juliet out of Fulton, like to fly the Brave Stadium.
Buckhead.
0 Tango Juliet, Dobbins.
Buckhead.
Tower, Roger. Second in and ident.
Ident for 6 Tango Juliet. Alright guys, underneath us over here to the right, that's going to be I-285. Like always, jammed up. And today's pretty bad.
Ident observed, transition approved, altimeter 3022.
3022 and approved, 6 Tango Juliet. Yeah, today's pretty bad.
Yeah, it is. Props.
What?
Props right there. Yeah, the cars lined up. Minutes.
Alright guys, over there to the left, the light green area over there, that's going to be Dommy's Air Force Base. And over here to the right, that's going to be the Kamala Mall.
Okay.
Wow. Okay.
And over here to the left, that's going to be the Brave Stadium.
Wow.
And officer, helicopter 206 Tango Julia, like to depart to the east.
Roger that, sir. Freak exchange approved. Have a good night.
Freak exchange approved, you too, 6 Tango Julia.
Takeoff runway 21 left, Bonanza 3147 Whiskey, right turn out, southeast. And that's a left turn out for Bonanza, correct?
Yes, left turn, sorry, left turn southeast.
Roger, left turn southeast, Bonanza 3147 Whiskey.
Alright guys, we're going to be crossing over here the Chattahoochee River and entering the Vinings area. That's where we have really nice real estates and a lot of huge mansions all around. So just look straight down and you guys will see a lot of beautiful mansions over here.
21 right, contact ground plane 6 on the other side. One for 0
Look at the Chattahoochee.
Alright, we'll cross 21 right, ground plane 6 on the other side, thanks.
I didn't realize it's that wide.
Picture Tower Helicopter 206 Tango Juliet out of Dobbs. Would like to fly King the Queen then southbound 400.
Helicopter 206 Tango Juliet, Peachtree Tower, altimeter 3027.
3027, 6 Tango Juliet.
Yes.
Oh. That huge mansion right there. Golly.
Huh?
Mansion. Huge. Wow. All these houses got tennis courts.
And Picture Tower 6 Tango Juliet, do you want me to report before going southbound 400?
Number 6 Tango Juliet, negative, you can proceed on course, wind 1704.
All right, thank you. 16.
Sir, 9 Sierra Echo, turn right at Charlie, cross runway 2 on right, contact ground plane 6.
Cross, right on Charlie, and cross runway 2 on right, and contact ground point 69 Sierra Echo.
Sir, 280 Alpha Foxtrot, Peachtree Tower, turn left heading 090, runway 21 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear to go 21 left, left to 090, 280 Alpha Foxtrot.
Queen.
All right, to the right-hand side, that's going to be the king and the queen.
Is that spaghetti jump?
Yep. No. It's up there. This is 400.
Peachtree Tower, Bonanza 3147 Whiskey.
Bonanza 3147, Whiskey, Peachtree Tower.
Sabres ahead in 120 right now, but we actually need to return to base.
That's a lie.
Sir, 47 Whiskey, Roger, is everything okay?
Traffic
We just
too
got a
clear.
slight fuel leak, but we're okay.
Number 3147 Whiskey, Roger, enter left traffic, runway 21 left. You think it's just a loose fuel cap?
Yes, sir. Let's fuel cap or something. So enter left downwind for runway 21 left, Bonanza 3147 Whiskey.
Oh, wow. All right, guys, we're right over 400 over here. That's going to be Buckhead and then downtown.
Come on, 280 Alpha Foxtrot departure.
Cherokee 0 Alpha Foxtrot, traffic 11 o'clock, 4 miles, Bonanza 3,500, question 3,300 inbound.
280 Alpha Foxtrot looking. Cherokee 280 Alpha Foxtrot, contact Atlanta departure, we'll keep on your way. Bonanza 47 Whiskey, turn direct towards the base. Do you require any special handling? November 0 Alpha Foxtrot, contact Atlanta departure. Bonanza 47 Whiskey, traffic passing off your left is a Gulfstream. Do you require any special handling?
No special handling, traffic inside, Bonanza 3147 Whiskey.
Bonanza 47 Whiskey, Roger. You prefer 21 left or 21 right? The wind is 16 at 4.
And Peachtree Tower, 280 Alpha Foxtrot. We had a TCAS alert, had to descend going back to 3,000. And what was the departure frequency?
0 Alpha Foxtrot, contact Atlanta on 126.907. Sorry about that. You have a great day.
2697, 280 Alpha Foxtrot.
21 left for 47 Whiskey.
November 47 Whiskey, runway 21 left, clear to land, wind 16 at 4.
21 left, clear to land, 47 Whiskey.
All right, guys, we're right over Buckhead over here, where we have the Linux Grandma and a lot of cool rooftops.
Number 885 Golf Tango Peachtree Tower, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff, left turn out to the northeast approved.
To take off runway 21 right and left turn to the northeast, 885 Golf Tango.
Wind 1708.
Way over Peachtree Street.
Yeah.
Wind 1805.
Wind 5, 3147 Whiskey.
Metal traffic helicopter 206 Tango Julia over P-More Hospital, heading southbound towards the Bains, 1600. Metal traffic.
Atlantic Station.
Huh?
Atlantic Station. See the Wells Fargo? See the Wells Fargo? Atlantic Station?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at I-75.
I know, right?
But yeah, over here to the right, there's gonna be a Atlantic Station. Cool place to visit. Movie theater, outdoor shopping, restaurants as well. Coming up on the left-hand side over here, that's gonna be the Midtown area where we have the Google building right over there. Over here to the right, all those little brownish buildings, that's gonna be Georgia Tech campus and facility. Over there to the left, that's gonna be the tallest building in Georgia. That's gonna be Bank of America Tower. Over here to the left, that's gonna be downtown. Georgia Aquarium, Civil Museum, Coca-Cola Museum, City Local Park, and the Ferris wheel. Oh, to the left. And over here to the left as well, that's gonna be Mercedes-Benz Stadium and the Falcons and the Total 90 play the games. Cool thing about it, that the roof actually slides open. And right beside it's gonna be State Farm Arena and the Hawks play the games for basketball. And I believe they have a game today. Yeah, they have. Metro 6 Tango Juliet, 1600 over the Bains, motor traffic. And over here to the left, that's going to be the state capitol. That's where the governor sets its office. And on top of it is actual gold. So yeah, pretty nice. Metro 6 Tango Julia on the Grady curve. 1600 heading towards Ponce City Market. Metro traffic.
Metro traffic, guard 219, 860, 2,200 feet. Currently about 3 miles south of the 7585 split, headed southbound to Bend. Metro traffic.
Alright guys, over here to the left, that's going to be Ponce City Market. Cool place to visit. Mini golf course on top of it, cool restaurants as well. That's going to be Ponce City Market to the left. Oh, so to the left, that's gonna be Piedmont Park. It's gonna be the biggest park in ATL. And that's gonna be a beautiful ATL for you guys.
One.
Charlie, 3,500 by the Pink Farm, inbound for full stop.
Charlie, continue bound right downwind for runway 26.
Right downwind, runway 26, and also we have X-ray 6358 Charlie.
Copy that.
Forward Tower helicopter 206 Tango Julie about 6 miles to the east, select to land.
Helicopter 206 Tango Juliet for the tower. Continue bound runway 26.
Continue about 266 Tango Julie.
The military?
Uh-huh, Black Hawk. Hey, can I charge just out of curiosity, are you able to see the target right in front of me, military target?
Tango Juliet, I see the target is to the south of your position.
Yeah, we just crossed. Just want to make sure you could see it as well, 6 Tango Julie.
Roger.
That's the new park. 52.
What is it?
West Side Park.
Helicopter 6 Tango Juliet on the 26 clear to land after landing. Proceed onto the hill ramp.
26 clear to land after landing to the hill ramp, 6 Tango Julie.
So the 8 Kilo Pop number 2 behind that helicopter on the 26, you're clear to land.
Can you please say again?
Just 8 Kilo Pop number